Welcome guys, so today I am with iPhone and AKG Y500 headset, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So the first, we have to grab the headset and power on by using this power button, this one. Let me just catch focus on it. Okay, so we have to turn it on, just like that. As you can see, when we make it, this this indicator lights up on the white, but after a few seconds it will start blinking. It means that it will be in the pairing mode. There it is. So the headset is visible to other devices, so we can simply open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher on the right bottom corner or right upper corner, and take a look on the other devices. Select headset, and after a few seconds we'll be successfully connected. As you can see, there it is. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.